Hi everybody, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter Z. Z is a plain line letter, but it doesn't slide right away. Before it slides, the Z goes on the plain line. So we'll point to the plain line and make a line across the plain line. Then we slide back down to the grass line, and then we make a line across the grass line. Just like that. Let's practice over here on the letter Z as we trace them. Start the plain line, go across the plain line, slide back to the grass line, and slide across the grass line. Z goes straight across, slide back, and go across again. Plain line and across, slide down, and across again. Go to the plain line, go across, slide down, and across. Across, slide, and across. Just like that, the letter Z. Okay, switch to blue. Go start the plain line, go across the plain line, slide back, and slide on the grass line. Okay, start the plain line, slide across, slide back, and slide across the bottom on the grass line. Let's say I made it the wrong way and made a mistake. If I go across and then slide all the way down to the worm line and go across, it's under the grass line. It's not supposed to be like that, and it's too big. So let me make it smaller and fit it on the line the way it's supposed to. Let's start with the plain line, go across, then you slide back, and then you go across the grass line. Last one. Go across on the plain line, slide down to the grass line, and go across on the grass line. Okay, that is how we practice the lowercase letter Z. Thanks for practicing.